Welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, this is the my second video with this do-it-yourself box. I found it just now backside in my listening room and I decided to record this short video. I have here on my YouTube channel one very old video when I was building this speaker box. It was built some years ago as a joke only, but it can demonstrate that it's not necessary to pay huge money, to waste huge money on really not bad sounding speaker boxes. I have bought many years ago, maybe 10 years ago, these old West German speakers, full range. You see, it is. It should be used as built-in in the wall. You say, it's nothing, I cannot use it. But these are full range with the frequency range from 50 up to 18,000 hertz and the power 8 watts only. But not nowadays production. They are about 45 years old, produced around the year 1980. And so you sure can find such a full range speakers for a few bucks only, or maybe free. So I decided to take the polystyrene plates and cut the box. It was made within 30 minutes and I must say I love the sound. Let's evaluate it. Now it was sealed inside. Now it's not sealed inside. I have glass wool inside as one of the best damping materials. And let's try them. I cannot put it so because the speaker can be damaged, but I believe that you will like the sound as I do. Sure, it's not necessary to make it from polyester, it's not so good, but you can make your own cabinets, and if you find anywhere some old such speakers, think it over if it has sense to do something or not, because for me the sound is really not bad. So let's try it and let's hear it, and write me please in comments what do you think about such a speakers. So, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos you can also join my channel. Click on the join and don't worry, you only click, then you can read all the conditions, you receive some perks, you can watch all my videos as a members first, and you can receive also some gifts, free gifts from me, free shipping European Union. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.